Good morning once again. Good morning, everyone.
Good
Lakshadola,
morning.
Viha, Dwani, turn on your camera, please. Pritika, turn on your camera,
Ma'am,
please.
what is the page number?
Take out chapter number 7. Now you need to see which page number it is. Please take out fast.
Ma'am, 16 and page number.
Yes, it's page number 69. Everyone, please be ready. Pritika, turn on your camera, please.
Ma'am, my camera is not working.
So, children, can anyone tell me what are we going? Please mute your mic. Someone mic is on. Who will tell me, raise your virtual hand, that what are we going to learn in this chapter number 7, jugs and mugs? Yes, Lakshadola, what are we going to learn in this chapter?
And we have to learn an
Yes, Dhvani.
Yes, ma'am. We are going to learn liter, milliliters.
Who is Vishnu Patel in this class? No one is Vishnu Patel.
Yes, ma'am. I also saw that you joined there.
Who is Vishnu Patel? Maybe somebody has joined from the elder brother or sister's ID. Okay. So, yes, Dhvani, you were saying about the liters and.
Yes. Liter, milliliters,
Yes.
half liter.
But why the name of this chapter is
Quantity.
jugs and it's not quantity. It's we are
Ma'am,
going
I
to learn
can say. Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am,
yes, yes,
we
Jignesh,
have to
then
learn
Kritika.
capacity. Capacity. Ma'am, we have to learn multiplication capacity in this chapter.
Okay, yes,
Liter, milliliter.
yes, Kritika. Jugs and mugs. Why the word used here? Jugs and mugs. We are going to learn the capacity of jug. We are going to learn the capacity of mugs. Means we some what happened, Jignesh? Your screen is not clear today. Yes. Dhwani, turn on your camera and sit. Yes, Krisha. What are you trying to
Ma'am,
show
now
me?
it's clear.
Yes. You are showing me textbook page number. Very good. Then we will read it. I will also show and we will I will explain you. Okay. Now, with the name, it is clear that we are going to learn about jugs and mugs, the capacity of the. For example, see, always remember the liquid things comes in liter and milliliter. Liquid things are not coming in kilogram and gram. Am I clear to you all? And the container which the Jignesh, again this creating a problem. Some fire kind of images coming in your deck for this. So please check.
Ma'am, it is some laser type.
Yeah, laser.
Now it's clear. I think it was blurred. Like
Now it's clear. So the liquid things always we measure in the liter and milliliter. Just a minute, students. Wait a minute. So liquid things, the capacity of the container. For example, right? For example, if you put a water in a bucket, so the capacity of bucket is more, or the capacity of a mug is more, or a jug is more.
bucket.
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 Yes.
Bucket.
So that bucket that we are going to learn the capacity of the different containers. Now take out your textbook page number 69. I am going to present my screen. I will explain you about the chapter first. Is the screen visible to you all? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
The name of this chapter is chapter number 7, Jugs and Mugs. Bunny and Banu celebrate their wedding anniversary. Do you remember the wedding in Bunny's family last year? Is any child remember the Bunny's wedding?
Yes, ma'am.
Bunny's family, you know about the Bunny family last year in grade 3 you have
Yes,
learned?
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
At third.
Bunny and Banu decided to have a party 1 year after their wedding. So now they want to give a party to the friends and see what they are going to make in the party. They invited the family and friends. See, they Bunny and Banu are the animals. So uske friends bhi कौन होंगे? Can anyone tell me? Animals ही होंगे, right?
Animals.
Yes,
Animals.
Yes or no?
animals only.
Still, when I ask any question, mute yourself. Mute yourself right now. When I ask any question, please, someone mic is on still. When I ask any question, please give me answer also. Because when I present the screen, I am not able to see you all. So their friends also the animals, but now the capacity of each person is different. Elephant will drink less or more compared to the other animals. More key.
More.
So now see what they are making on. Okay, very good. Now we can see that what they are making the sweet dish on their wedding anniversary. They invited the family and friends. They made a special sweet dish that is kheer. So anyone knows what is kheer? Can anyone explain me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It is made up of rice.
Wait, I will call your name. This class never follow the class rules. I will call your name. Raise your virtual hand. Yes, Arush. Can you tell me what is kheer?
Ma'am, kheer is made up of some sugar, some rice, and some milk.
Okay. So he told me the rice kheer. Anyone knows about the different types of kheers? Yes, Dwani? You know about different type of kheer?
No, ma'am.
Vedi?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. My mother did some of the all. She call it some.
Mohammed, you tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other type of kheer?
Yes, ma'am. Like rice kheer,
Rice kheer, we already discussed. And another kheer is?
carrot kheer, दूध kheer,
Okay. Okay.
Loki
Any
kheer,
other?
Loki kheer.
But you make on Eid also one type of kheer. And that Eid is specially based on that with the name of that kheer.
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
say?
can I say?
Yes, Hare.
Moraiya kheer.
Which kheer?
Moraiya kheer.
Okay. Yes, Jignesh, I am
Ma'am, sago kheer.
Sabudana kheer. That is Sabo kheer. Yes. Any other want to tell me any other type of a kheer?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, sweet
Yes,
potato
Asta.
kheer.
Yes, Asta.
Fruit salad kheer.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Any
can I
other?
tell?
Yes, Hare.
Sweet potato kheer.
Sweet potato kheer. Very nice. Different. So we came to know about the different type of kheer.
Ma'am,
Uh,
Shirkurma kheer.
which kheer?
Shirkurma. Shirkurma.
Okay. Anyone knows about Sivaiya kheer? Mohammed Mohammed and Mohammed.
Yes,
You
ma'am. I was.
Yes, ma'am, I know.
I was telling about that only.
Sivaiya kheer, no? Yes. So these are the ingredients which we use in Sivaiya kheer is or other different type of kheer. The main ingredient is milk and sugar. These two main ingredients. Then the other ingredients you can change also. If you want to make sabudana kheer, you will put sabudana. If you want to make rice kheer, you will put rice. So this is the kheer is a type of a sweet dish. All the animal came running, hopping, and then crawling, even crawling. So you know the different animals walk or crawl in different ways. Some run,
Yes.
some hop, some crawl, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So they were coming. The snake, they crawl. For example, if they talk about rabbit, they hop. If they talk about elephant, elephant run or walk. So this way they are coming. They're very excited. Now turn the page, page number 70. The elephant is drinking 50 liters of kheer. Biggest animal is the elephant. And elephant capacity is of drinking kheer is 50 liters. Can anyone tell me what will be the capacity of giraffe?
Ma'am,
If you
25
guess,
liter.
Ma'am, 25 liters.
very
Ma'am,
good.
ma'am, liters
Ma'am,
only
50.
because
Huh?
Ma'am, because
Because
the elephant and giraffe have a one bucket, so the same capacity will be there.
it's not necessary. It's not necessary that वो पूरी खत्म कर दे.
25
हो सकता है
liters.
उसको half fill हो.
Ma'am, cow it would be 15 liters.
Very good. The answer, the way answer Jignesh is giving is right. Because elephant is the biggest animal, उसकी सबसे ज़्यादा. फिर
Yes.
giraffe की, फिर cow की. This way you come to the other animals. Squirrel की, then ant. We will learn about the different animals.
ma'am, squirrel की 1 liter. Ma'am, squirrel 1 liter.
This way we will come on the other animals. Yes. So first you can write the giraffe 25 liters. Cow, you can say that for cow 10 to 15 liters. Okay. And as you all know that 1 liter is equals to how many milliliters?
1000.
1000.
1000.
And half a liter equals to
500.
500
Liter.
500
milliliter.
500 milliliter.
Not liter. Yes. So now, wait a minute. Yes. Please mute yourself. Someone mic is on. I will not start until
Jignesh.
your mic will not get off. Then came the squirrel. She said, I cannot drink 1 liter of kheer. Please give me only 500 milliliters. So you can check here the capacity of drinking the kheer. Squirrel is 500 milliliter. The donkey asked 500 milliliters of kheer. Isn't that more than a liter? So children, 500 milliliter is more than a liter or less than a liter?
Less than a liter.
Yes.
Less than a liter.
Now the donkey said that 500 liter of kheer, isn't that more than a liter? So the fox said, no, come on, don't behave like a donkey. 1 liter is 1000 liters, so 500 milliliter is half a liter. Now go to the next page. The frog. The frog hopped along with the 9 other friends. He said, oh, we only want 100 milliliters each. So they are total 10. So if each will drink 100 milliliters,
1 liter.
so
Ma'am, 1
total
liter.
will
1
be
liter.
1 liter.
1
Very
liter.
good. Okay, here is your key, said the cat. While serving the key, she took 10 glasses and poured 100 milliliter kheer in each glass. So if you are putting 100 milliliter kheer in each glass, so what is the capacity of each glass here?
100
100
ml.
ml.
100.
100 ml.
So the short form of milliliters is ml. Now the fox got another chance to show off. He said, that is simple. 10 times 100 milliliter is 1000 milliliter or
1 liter.
yes,
1
1000.
liter.
Yes, and 1 liter. So now write it. 10 into 100 makes the 1000. Please complete this in your textbook. Now coming the ants. Look, a group of ants. Are we late? Group. They are asking, are we late? Marching here, the grasshopper said. The kheer is finished now. What can we do? The cat said sadly. अब क्या करें? The ants को तो कुछ नहीं मिला. Don't worry. They won't drink much. Each of them will take only 1 milliliter. So if 1 milliliter and there are 1,000, so total how
1
many?
liter.
Yes,
Liter. Liter.
1 liter.
that is all. I will share my kheer with them. The elephant said and wipe the cat's tears with his ears. उसने उसके आंखें पहुंची. Don't cry. We will take out the solution of this. Okay. From my 50 liters of milk, please mute yourself. Elephant said, okay, from my 50 liters of milk, I will sacrifice 1 liter and we will give them to the ants because they are 1,000 and each one will drink only 1 milliliter. So 1 liter will be okay for them. How many are you all together? The elephant asked. We are only 1,000, said the ants. The cat said, oh no, 1,000 we have to give key to 1,000 ants. उसको लगा कि बहुत सारा देना पड़ेगा. After thinking, the elephant said, no problem, I can manage. Each ant drink 1 milliliter of kheer. So 1,000 ants will drink 1,000 multiplied by 1 equals to 1,000 milliliter only. Got it, everyone? Yes or no, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So here we have discussed about the how many milliliters in 1 liter. Okay, and if they are managing, each one will drink how much. So now I have something surprise for you. Wait a minute. Visible some anything to you clearly? Something I have put.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
But
Thank
ma'am,
you.
it is fortune and water bottle Bisleri.
Yes, these are the different containers which I have put it here, and the capacity of each container is also written at the back of this container.
And
And suppose
oils are there.
this is the Bisleri water bottle, and here it's written it's a 2 liter water bottle. So the capacity of this water bottle is 2,
2 liter.
and this is the Fortune oil. The capacity is 400.
5 liter.
5 liters, okay. And if this is the shampoo, it's written 250 milliliter. And this is the ink bottle. Mute yourself, someone mic is on. This is the ink bottle. The capacity of this ink bottle is 100 milliliter. Please look here, everyone on the board. Look here, everyone on the board. So the capacity of ink bottle is 100 ml, and the capacity of this coconut oil is
75 ml.
45 ml only. And this is a small water bottle, and the capacity of this water bottle is 300 ml. So children, now this is only 100 ml, this is 300 ml. So by looking with the size, which is having more capacity?
The fortune oil.
Ma'am, the
oil.
oil bottle. The oil bottle. Fortune oil.
Listen my question carefully. From these, if you are comparing, suppose if you are comparing these two, if you see only the size, mute yourself please for a minute. First listen my question. If you, Krishav, mute yourself please, bacha. If you only see with the size of these two bottles, अगर आपको नहीं पता है कि कितने ml की है, इसके पीछे नहीं देखा आपने, just you are looking from the size, so which you will say that which container is having more capacity?
Ma'am,
Shampoo.
Ma'am, shampoo.
Yellow
Ma'am,
shampoo.
shampoo.
That is why it is always said that don't go, wait a minute. That is why it is always said don't go on the size of the containers, because this shampoo, yellow one, is only a capacity of 250 ml. But this bottle, which is small in size, having a capacity of 300 ml. Why? Because this is in length bigger, this is in width bigger, right? So always see the capacity of the containers. Don't go on the length of the containers. Got it, everyone? Now, and suppose I want to fill this bottle with this ink bottle, and the capacity of this ink bottle is 100 ml. So raise your virtual hand, how many ink bottles I will put it in this to make it full.
Ma'am,
No, raise your virtual hand, I will call your name. Yes, Pragyan.
Ma'am, 3.
Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Now, yes. Now, this is 200 liters bottle. Oh, sorry, 2 liter bottle. Yes, and this is 5 liter. So, how many bottles of 2 liters I will put it in this?
ma'am, can I say?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Jignesh.
can I say
Ma'am,
hurry?
two
Two and a half.
ma'am, two water bottle and one half water bottle.
Very good. Excellent. So, you all are clear that the each container is having their own capacity, different capacity. Now, I am going to show you one video.
Yes, ma'am.
Today we are only doing the introduction of this chapter, students. Is the screen visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Hello children, today we will learn about measurement of capacity. You know, measurements are used daily in our lives. You already know water, milk, oil are liquids because liquids do not have a definite shape or size and they take the shape of container. Like when the milk from a jar is poured into the glass, the milk takes the shape of the glass. Look at this glass and the jug. What do you think? Which one can hold more water? Obviously, the jug is bigger than the glass, so it can hold more water. You know, capacity describes how much a container can hold. So, you can also say the jug is bigger than the glass, so it has a greater capacity and it can hold more water. Same way, a bucket can hold more water than a jug. Suppose we can fill 12 buckets of water from this tank. Then the tank has a capacity of 12 buckets of water. Or with the water from a well, we can fill many tanks. That is, a well has a capacity to hold more than a tank. But how can we measure a fixed quantity of any liquid? Can we measure liquids like the solids in grams or kilograms using the weighing scale? No, because liquids flow easily and we cannot keep them on the weighing scale directly. Right, children? We have to use a container to hold them and only after that we can measure them. So, instead of weighing them on machines, we use containers of some fixed capacity to measure the liquids like milk, water, oil, petrol, etc. You know, the standard unit of capacity is liter. There is a 1 liter container available to measure 1 liter of liquid like milk or water or oil. The short form of liter is LT. So we write 1 liter as 1 LT. When we go for an outing, we buy bottles of filtered water which are available in 1 liters, 2 liters and also in greater capacity.
Ayaka shoulders her family's duty to cherish the aspirations of ordinary.
Milk which comes in pouches. Sometimes instead of 1 liter pouch, you get 2 pouches. And if you read what is written on the pouch, it will say 500 ml each. Does this mean that 2 pouches of 500 ml are equal to 1 liter? Right. A liter is divided into 1000 equal parts. Each small part is called a milliliter, the short form of which is ml. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. At home, we ask the milkman to give a fixed quantity of milk, like 1 liter of milk or 2 liters or half a liter. Half liter? What does half a liter mean? You know, 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliters. We now know 500 milliliter means 1 liter. That is 500 milliliter is half of 1 liter. Some people use the term half liter instead of 500 milliliter. How does a milkman measure milk? He uses 1 liter measuring container. He uses the measuring container of 1 liter. The milkman may also have a measuring container of 500 milliliter to measure the half a liter. The container used for measuring petrol or diesel is a little different and looks like this. You might have bought 100 milliliter or 50 milliliter shampoo bottle. We all like to drink cold drinks which come in 300 milliliter bottles. Right, children? So now you know 1 liter equal to 2 into 500 milliliter, which is 1000 milliliter. That is 2 times 500 milliliter make 1 liter. As 2 equal parts of 1 liter are there and each part is equal to 500 ml, we can say half liter is 500 milliliter. Now let us see the other smaller containers. 1 liter is equal to 5 into 200 ml, which is equal to 1000 ml. That is 5 times 200 ml is equal to 1 liter. As 5 equal parts of 1 liter are there and each part is equal to 200 ml, we can say 1/5 of a liter is 200 ml. Right, children? Same way, 1 liter is equal to 10 into 100 ml, which is 1000 ml. That is 10 times 100 ml is equal to 1 liter. As 10 equal parts of 1 liter are there and each part is equal to 100 ml, we can also say 1/10 of a liter is 100 ml. Understood? Now, if we need to find 1/4 of a liter, then it's simple. We divide 1000 milliliter by 4 to make 4 equal parts. See, 1000 divided by 4 is 250 milliliters. So, 1 liter is equal to 4 times 250 milliliter, which is 1000 milliliters. We see 4 equal parts of 250 ml make 1000 milliliter or 1 liter. So, 1/4 of a liter is 250 milliliter. Understood? Thus, the standard unit of capacity is liter, which is most commonly used. The other commonly used units are milliliter, where 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. And if we have to measure bigger capacity, then we use kiloliters. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters, which is used to measure the capacity of big tanks. By the way, our body has roughly 5 liters of blood, which means 5 times 1000 milliliter, which is 5000 milliliters. That is why some kind people donate little blood, that is 250 milliliter, to save someone else's life.
So I hope you children are clear with today's concept with liter and milliliter, how to convert, what are the different
Yes, ma'am.
combinations. Mute yourself, Asta. Asta, mute yourself, please. What are the different combinations to make the 1 liter? 4 times 250 makes the 1 liter. 5 times 200 milliliters makes the 1 liter. These are the different combinations of making the liter. And 1 liter is having 1000 milliliter. Okay. So children, today I'm going to send you the Google form based on the today's concept which we have done. And today your home task is one more home task, that is you need to take out the wrappers of the products, right? Take the wrappers of the product, paste it in your notebook and write how much is the liters or milliliters of that capacity of the bottle. Okay, if you're not able to take out the wrapper, suppose iska wrapper mein nahi nikal paungi, so what I will do, I will write the name of the product, the Garnier shampoo, and I will write the capacity is 250 ml. So this way, take any 5 products.
We have to send you.
Yes, where I will send today's
Can you
Google.
send in classroom?
Yes, I will send. Where I will send today's Google form, there I will write the complete explanation about the activity. Okay. So if you're not able to take out the wrappers, please write the name of the product and write the capacity. This is Garnier shampoo and you will write 250 ml. Bisleri water bottle 300 ml. Okay. Fortune oil 5 liters. Okay. Got it, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pritika.
Ma'am, you got my mail?
Just now you sent?
No, ma'am. 2 days before. Regarding the recording.
Okay, I will send. I will check the dates and I will send.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, if it is possible for you to resend me, please resend it again.
Okay, ma'am. I will resend you.
Okay. So thank you, students, for today's class, and please do Google form as well as the activity which I have dictated right now. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you, students.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.